Welcome to the future of screwdriver technology. A technology so futuristic, it's based off a patent from 1904. Each screwdriver is exquisitely machined by robot slaves out of one solid piece of 1144 steel. This ensures we produce the most amount of steel waste to be recycled. The square shaft is built to exactly 3/8 of an inch wide, so you can use a wrench to get more torque to remove those stuck fasteners. You can even use an adjustable wrench, which negates the need for such an accurate square shaft size. The half-inch tip is made to be slightly larger than the shaft, so that countersunk fasteners are easy to reach, and the bulge at the end of the shaft does not damage the hole it's entering. The blade is machined in a hollow ground style where the very tip is parallel on both sides. This ensures full engagement and greatly reduces the chance you will damage the fastener during assembly or disassembly. The blade is heat treated to 52 Rockwell C hardness, which is the perfect balance of hardness and flexibility for screwdrivers. Each handle consists of two solid cherry wood scales that are individually hand sanded to ensure a perfect fit and sealed with a scented hardening wax to ensure you don't ruin the nice wood that we spent hours sanding with your disgusting hands. The opposite end of the screwdriver has a flat portion that you can use for hammering, because I know you are going to use the screwdriver incorrectly, you savages. I also made the handle to be 90 degrees to the blade because I see it in your eyes right now. You are going to use this as a pry bar, and that design gives it more strength for that purpose. You sicken me. The shape of the handle when finished is a perfect fit for your hand. The second you hold one of these, you are transformed to a place and time unbeknownst to mankind since the dawn of time. Don't like cherry wood handles? We also sell a kit, which includes a machine screwdriver blank with no wooden scales and 2 brass pins so that you can make handles out of any material you would like. Free templates as well as full 3D models are available for download on the product page. Come and experience the best screwdrivery has to offer. Get yours now at handtoolrescue.com.